Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make wire transfer from Chase Bank. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So there's actually two ways for you to make a wire transfer or send a wire transfer. So one of those is via a domestic wire transfer. Now to initiate a domestic wire transfer, you need to follow the following instructions. First is log in into your account and select the menu located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on Wire Transfer and then choose Schedule Transfer. Identify or add your recipient and provide details about the account from which you intend to wire funds. Enter the wire transfer amount and date and proceed by tapping Next. Now to finalize the process, select Schedule Wire and then Close. Now for you to proceed with a international wire transfer, you need to follow the following instructions. First thing you need to do here is you need to sign in and access the menu at the top left corner again. Tap on the Chase Global Transfer and then select Schedule Transfer. Now specify whether your recipient is an individual or business and indicate their country. Enter the amount of your wire transfer in US dollars and proceed by tapping Next. Identify or add your recipient and select the date for your wire transfer. Now to complete the transaction, tap Authorize and then confirm by selecting Done. Now this user-friendly guide provides you detailed steps for both domestic and international wire transfers. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.